There are different types of wealthy folks out there. But there's this interesting distinction between old money and new money. You can usually tell them apart by their style, how they spend their cash, and even the hobbies they indulge in. Now, if you've ever wondered what those old money hobbies are and why some of them seem to have faded away, stick around, because we're diving into that today. So, what are these hobbies that the top 1% used to be into? Well, let me tell you, they're not your typical weekend activities. We're talking about things that were once the hallmark of the elite. Let's start with travel and discovery. Traveling was, and still is, a big deal for wealthy individuals. But we're not talking about your average family vacation here. We're talking private jets, exclusive excursions, and sometimes even trips to space. Yeah, you heard that right. Billionaires like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos have been investing big bucks into space exploration. It's like the ultimate adventure for them. Then there's the whole antique collecting scene. Old money folks were all about gathering rare and valuable items like vintage cars, fine wine, and exquisite jewelry. Some did it for the love of history, while others saw it as a smart investment strategy. Either way, it was a passion that set them apart. Now, let's switch gears to something a bit more leisurely: golf. This sport has long been associated with the upper crust. It's not just about hitting a ball into a hole. It's about the camaraderie, the networking, and let's be honest, the prestige that comes with being a member of an exclusive golf club. But old money hobbies aren't all about luxury and sophistication. Some of them are about getting back to nature, like camping and hiking. Sure, you might think of camping as roughing it, but trust me, when old money does it, they do it in style. Think luxurious tents, gourmet meals, and stunning views. And then there are the adrenaline junkies among the old money crowd. They're into things like car racing and skydiving. It's all about the thrill of the chase, pushing yourself to the limit, and feeling alive in ways that money alone can't buy. But old money isn't just about expensive pastimes, it's also about timeless style. Think classic, well-tailored clothing made from the finest materials. It's about looking good without trying too hard, exuding confidence and sophistication wherever you go. And let's not forget about the intellectual pursuits like chess. It's not about how much money you have, it's about how sharp your mind is. Chess has long been considered the game of intellectuals, and old money folks were no exception. Philanthropy has always been a cornerstone of the old money ethos. Whether it's donating to charity, supporting the arts, or funding educational initiatives, old money folks understand the importance of using their wealth for good. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of forgotten old money hobbies. From luxury travel to intellectual pursuits, these pastimes have shaped the lives of the wealthy for generations. And while some of them may have fallen out of fashion, their legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of those who appreciate the finer things in life.